name is Francesca Grace. I'm an interior designer and home stager in Los Angeles, California, and welcome to my cottage. This is Schnitzel and this is Pat. I have 3 others in the backyard and they are my little farmstead in Los Angeles. These 2 girls are gonna stay outside and I'm gonna take you in and start the tour. The house was built in 1923 and it's an old cottage, and the fireplace kind of gives you that feeling when you walk in. It just makes you feel like totally at home. I feel like this space represents me the most as a designer. It's kind of an eclectic mishmash of everything I love. If you look around the room, you see flowers everywhere. I feel like it just changes the atmosphere immediately when you walk in. I grew up eating a lot because my family's from Italy. We kind of have a tradition of eating at a round table because then everyone can see each other and feel inclusive. I'm obsessed with pink flowers. They're basically in every corner of this room. The carousel lamp was a really special find that I was nervous about placing in here because it kind of looks like a nursery, but it worked perfectly. It's obviously nice to have a big table to eat at, but being Italian, you kind of have to start in the kitchen. So I'll let you digest this and we'll head over there. This is my kitchen where I cook all my meals, obviously. Because the house was made in the 1920s, I feel like the kitchen represents that era the most. It's all original, all of the Spanish tile, everything hasn't been touched. So when you're in here and you're cooking in here, you kind of feel all the meals that have been made in this space. I really wanted it to kind of feel like an outdoor dining area, but inside the kitchen. So all of the wallpaper represents the foliage around the house and kind of just giving you that sunny Los Angeles feeling, but in like the Italian countryside. My favorite piece in the kitchen are these Art Deco lacquered red chairs that I got from Candid Home in Los Angeles. I love pops of red, and speaking of pops of red, I'm gonna take you guys to the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom, AKA Penelope's bedroom. She's quite enjoying herself. I didn't realize how big of an obsession I had with flowers until this moment, but this room makes me feel like I'm in Montmartre in Paris. Lots of red, teals, linens, and it feels like it complements the original history of the house a lot with that charming decor. P's getting a little cranky and I think she wants us to leave her room, so I'm gonna take you guys to the main bedroom. I love this room. I think that it has the most incredible light coming from the French doors. The mural on the wall represents a powerful woman and she has a crane on her, which kind of leads you into the wallpaper behind the bed. For me, cranes represent beauty and tranquility, and who doesn't want to wake up in a tranquil, powerful, and beautiful space? This space makes me feel like a Disney princess. Everything's like a little funky and chaotic, but the happiest place you could ever sit at and eat. And when you're done with Alice in Wonderland's tea party, I love to have a glass of wine in the lounge area. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for coming by, and I hope you guys enjoyed my tour.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?